Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to find the areas under the normal curve given a z-value. Belicina et al. In 2016 provided in their book Statistics and Probability a four-step process in finding the areas under the normal curve given a z-value. And this is what we will be following. For step 1, we express the given z-value into a three-digit form. Step 2, using the z-table, we find the first two digits on the left column. Step 3, match the third digit with the appropriate column on the right. And for the last step, we read the area or probability at the intersection of the row and the column. This is now the required area. Let us have our first example. Find the area that corresponds to z-score 1.3. This is our standard normal curve. And we have here 0, the mean, and the z-score is above the mean since it is positive. It's 1.3. First step that we're going to do is to express this into three-digit form. We have 1.3 will become 1.30. And to determine the required area, we will go to our z-table. First, we are going to look for the two digits. It's 1.3 on the leftmost column. It's here. And we have 1.30. So you can see, we have now the intersection or the area, which is 0.4032. The required area is 0.4032, or we could express this as a percentage by multiplying this by 100, and we got 40.32%. Let's have our second example. Our second example is when the z-score is negative. That is, z is negative 0.48. When the z-score is negative, this indicates that the raw score that corresponds to the z-score is below the mean. As you can see here, the mean is 0 and it is below the mean. Again, we follow the first step, which is we express this in three-digit form, and it is already in three-digit form. We will directly go to our z-table. We have 0.4 and 8. We have here it's 0.1844. Therefore, the required area is 0.1844, or that is 18.44%. Even though we have a negative z-score, we will look at the same table of z-values or areas with positive z-scores. It doesn't matter. It just tells us that our raw score is below the mean or above the mean. Now, since we have given you already two examples, let's take an exercise on finding the areas under the normal curve given a z-value. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Are you ready? Let us start. Number 1. Find the required area when the z-score is equal to 2.1. The correct answer? It's 0.4821 or 48.21%. Let's have number 2. The z-score is negative 0.76. What is its required area under the normal curve? The required area when the z-score is negative 0.76 is 0.2764 or 27.64%. Are you correct? Let's have number 3. The z-score is 3.02. Find the required area corresponding to z-score under the normal curve. The required area when the z-score is 3.02 is 0.4987 or 49.87%. Let us have our fourth item. Find the required area under the normal curve when the z-score is 1.91. The required area when the z-score is 1.91 is 0.4719 or 47.93%. And our last item, find the required area under the normal curve when the z-score is negative 2.44. The required area under the normal curve when the z-score is negative 2.44 is 0.4927 or that is 49.27%. Thank you for watching this video and taking the exercise. And congratulations for learning this lesson. Before we end, I would like to commend my student before, Jesselme Bornelado, for thanking me and for making me a part of how she liked math now. Thank you and have fun learning in my future videos.